In just 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best way to prepare your potatoes. So the next thing you want to do is you want to chit your potatoes. Chitting is just the process of pre-sprouting your potatoes, and it gives you a harvest 2 to 3 weeks earlier. So these guys are what you call eyes, which is what you get first when you chit. The main reason you chit is to find out if these eyes will grow, and you can control how many eyes each potato has. This was another massive mistake that I made, was I planted the whole potatoes 2 years ago, thinking that the more eyes, the more potatoes you got, and then wondered why my potatoes were so damn small. I have found 2 to 3 eyes is the sweet spot for each potato. More eyes means more potatoes, but smaller ones of them. Less eyes means less potatoes, but larger ones. And you want to chit your potato 3 to 6 weeks before your last frost date. To chit your potato, leave them in a light, humid, and warm place for 2 to 3 weeks. And this is what happens when you leave your potatoes in a dark area, not a light area. They'll try reaching for sunlight while they're sprouting, and you'll see them go really thin and really tall. This is not what you want. I just place each potato in an egg carton and make sure the side with the most eyes is facing upward. They say don't store your onions and potatoes around the same area of your pantry. It's actually because the onions release ethylene gas, which starts the potato sprouting process a bit sooner. Once the potatoes are chitted, you want to count how many eyes there are. You want some short and stocky, good looking eyes. So you have larger potatoes with 6 eyes on them. I cut them in half, and then I leave 2 to 3 eyes per piece. After you cut your potatoes in half, let it sit outside in the sun for around 3 to 4 days. This is called curing, and it will just prevent them from rotting in the ground and killing your harvest. If you are wondering when you should start 35 of the world's most popular vegetables to get the most out of your garden, I had that exact same question after my first year of gardening. So I created this garden planting schedule for zones 3 to 9 with your average last and first frost dates, if you should start the seeds indoors, when to transplant them outdoors, and if you should direct sow the seeds. It's a very good reference for any gardener, especially after the long winter break. And if you want to pick one up, I'll leave a link here and in the description. Now back to the video. You also have your early season, your mid season, and your late season. Early season averages 80 days to harvest. They take 10 to 12 weeks to grow. You can harvest them in early summer, and early season potatoes are great in salads. Then you have your mid-season. These guys average 100 days to harvest. You harvest them in mid-summer, and these potatoes are great for baking. Then you have your late season potatoes. These guys average 120 days to harvest. They take 14 to 20 weeks to grow, and they store the longest out of the other 2 varieties. If you guys like this video on how to prepare your potatoes, and you want to find out how to plant your potatoes, then click this video next to find out how. I'll see you in the next video.